Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Telegram messages not synchronizing across devices. So to solve that problem, there is like some solutions that I will tell you about them one by one. The first thing is you have to confirm that you are using the same Telegram account between your devices. And to know that, you have just to go to Telegram, open it. After that, go to settings and look to the number below your name and be sure that you are using the same Telegram account like in your devices. So, because if you are not using the same phone number, you can't like see messages in like two different accounts. The second thing, you have to check your internet connection. So you have to change between Wi-Fi and also like if you are using or if you have also mobile data, you have to change between them because sometimes the internet is the main problem of the like there is or your account is not synchronizing between two devices. And in that case, I will like advise you to activate the airplane mode for 1 minute or 2 minutes, and after that turn it off because it will restart the settings of like the internet settings on your device. And if you are using any like VPN, you have to deactivate it because sometimes the VPN may cause that problem. Another thing, you have to look if there is an update for Telegram. You have to search for Telegram and look if there is any update. So for example, for me, there is no new update, but if there is an update, you will see the word update instead of open. Also, another thing you have to do is to restart Telegram app. Sometimes it fixes the solution. And to restart the Telegram app, you have just to like swipe up like this, and the app will be closed. Another thing you have to do is to check Telegram on another device or Telegram web. So you have to open your Telegram account in another device or check like the Telegram on web and check if the chats are synchronizing or not. And the last thing, please do not expect the secret chats to synchronize. So if you are speaking on a secret chat like this, let me show you. So if you are using a secret chat, like I will try like secret chat. So if you are using like this, I will start secret chat. So secret chat can't be synchronized between devices. So if you are using a secret chat, don't expect it to be synchronized. And that's it. I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, you can subscribe in our channel and you can like this video. And until the next video, goodbye.